Hello and welcome back to Statistic 2, Linear Combination of Random Variables. So for this video, we'll be working on two or more independent variables. So let's just say the random variable x denotes the age of three elderly men. So let's just say they are age 45, 50, and 55. So these are their age. Now the random variable y would denote the age of three other kids. So let's say three other kids. So three random kids which is 5 years old, 10 years old, and 15 years old. So what we want to find is that we want to find the expectation of x plus y. So let's say we want to find the expectation of x plus y. So we can get a graph of x and y. So here we have 45, 50, and 55. Here is 5, 10, and 15. So x plus y. So x plus y. So let's just try for all of these to see what we get. So if it's 45, x plus y is 50. This is 55 and this is 60. Here, this is 55, 60, and 65. Here is 60, 65, and 70. So these are the age combination possible for x plus y. Such as first we want to find the expectation of x. Right, so let's just find the expectation of x. Expectation of x. Let's just say expectation x. So it's obvious, right? This is equal to 50. The expectation of y is equal to 10. The variance of x is equal to 50 over 3. Variance of y is also equal to 50 over 3. Right, so we want to find the expectation of x plus y and the expectation of and the variance x plus y. So expectation of x plus y. So here are the possible x plus y. So you can see from this graph, so if you take all of these and finding the mean of them, this will come out to be equal to 60. And for the variance, so let's put it here, variance of x plus y. If you do the same thing, it will come out to be 100 over 3. So you probably see the way it is going there. So the expectation of x plus y is in fact equal to the expectation of x plus the expectation of y. So 50 plus 10 equals 60. The variance of x plus y is equal to 100 over 3, which is also equal to 50 over 3 plus 50 over 3. So this is the variance. So we have the formula. So we have a basic formula of two random variable x and y. The expectation of x plus y will be equal to the expectation of x plus the expectation of y. And the variance, so the variance of x plus y is equal to the variance of x plus the variance of y. So remember this formula. So let's just say now we want to find something else. We want to find the expectation So now we want to find the expectation of x minus y. And we also want to find the variance of x minus y. So let's get the same graph as before. So we have this graph. So this graph of x and y. This is 45. This is 50. This is 55. This is 5, 10, and 15. So here x minus y. So this is 40. Right? This is 35. And this is 30. 50 minus 5, 45. 40, 35. Here, 50, 45, 40. Now, the expectation of x minus y. So, x as before, 50. Y as before, 10. var of x, var of y are both equal to 50 over 3. These two are both equal to 50 over 3. So say, now we have this. So now we have e of x minus y is equal to, if you find the mean of all these, you actually get 40. Right, so that 50 minus 10 makes sense, right? Because the expectation of x minus the expectation of y gets you the expectation of x minus y. So what about the variance? The variance of x minus y. So if you find the variance from these values, it's definitely not 0. Not 50 over 3 minus 50 over 3. Not 0. But the variance of x minus y is actually the same if it was x plus y. So it's 100 over 3. So this is equal to the variance of x plus the variance of y. Right. So that's another formula. So let's just recap what we have just said. Right, so now let's recap what we have just said. So we have expectation of x plus or minus y is equal to the expectation of x plus or minus the expectation of y. That's the first formula. Now to the variance, we have x plus or minus y is always equal to the variance of x plus the variance of y. So no matter if it was plus or minus, the variance is always an addition of variance of x and variance of y. So what if we have e of, say, a times x plus or minus b times y? So the expectation here, using the same from if it was just one random variable, so here is a times e to the power of x plus or minus b to the power of b times e to the expectation of y. If it was variance ax plus or minus by, that would be variance of x times a squared plus b squared times the variance of y. So that is the basic formula for two or more independent variables. So here are the formula you need to remember.